Students, now I am going to teach you how to attend the exam online. Now here, after click that link, which link sent by your subject teacher, you will get these pages. See, the once you click these pages, the first option is the name. Name, you have to enter your name, and second you have to choose your section, and after that you have to give the right answer. Just you need to touch the circle. Once you touch the circle, the color change will be changed, blank to colorist. After that, after once you finish it, make sure that whether you have selected right answer or not. Before submit, make sure that once again have you entered right or not. Once you finish it all process, by the way I given only 5 question, it may come 10 question also, 15 question, depends on the subject teacher. Okay, after that, after given the all answer, just come here, click the submit. Once click the submit, you finally you have submitted your answer. You got success now. This is the way you have to attend the online exam. Thank you.